Hey AI enthusiasts, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future with the Humane AI Pin, a mind-blowing wearable that wants to be your phone, your assistant, and your personal AI genie all rolled into one. Buckle up as we explore its features, its quirks, and whether it lives up to the hype. First things first, this gadget is a looker. Imagine a love child of the Apple Watch and AirPods, with a touch of futuristic flair. It's sleek, it's shiny, and it definitely turns heads. But is it all style and no substance? Let's find out. Now, this is where things get really cool. The AI Pin boasts a laser-projected interface that beams onto your hand. You control it with gestures, pinching, tilting, swiping, like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine checking notifications, making calls, or even controlling your smart home with a flick of your wrist. It's definitely a wow factor, but is it practical? We'll discuss that in a bit. Ever wished you could speak any language instantly? The AI Pin claims to do just that, with real-time translation for over 50 languages. Imagine traveling the world without language barriers, ordering food, asking for directions, or having conversations with locals, all with ease. It's a game changer, but how accurate and reliable is it? We put it to the test. This little pin packs a powerful AI camera that can analyze your surroundings and give you information in real time. Identify plants and animals, get historical facts about landmarks, or even find similar products online, all with a quick snap. It's like having a visual search engine right on your chest. But is it as seamless as it sounds? We'll explore its capabilities and limitations. The AI Pin comes with its own built-in AI assistant, ready to answer your questions and follow your commands. It's like having Siri or Alexa with you wherever you go. But how does it stack up against the competition? We'll compare its features and see if it's truly a helpful companion or just another voice in the crowd. Now, the big question, can the AI Pin really replace your phone? While it boasts some impressive features, it lacks the deep integration with apps and services that we're used to on our smartphones. Think about it, your calendar, your email, your social media, your maps, all seamlessly connected on your phone. The AI Pin is still in its early stages, and it has a long way to go before it can truly become a phone killer. One area where the AI Pin shines is its battery system. It comes with a clever magnetic booster that extends its life, plus a cute portable charger for on-the-go power. However, there's a catch: the pin can overheat with extended use, especially when using the laser projection. This is a major concern, and we hope Humane addresses it in future updates. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. At $699, the AI Pin is a luxury gadget, no doubt about it. Is it worth a hefty price tag? That depends on your needs and your budget. If you're an early adopter who wants to be on the cutting edge of AI wearables, it might be tempting. But for most people, the price might be a major barrier. So, is the Humane AI Pin the future of wearables? It definitely has the potential. The laser projection is innovative, the AI features are promising, and the design is top-notch. However, it faces some significant challenges. The price, the overheating issue, and the lack of app integration are major roadblocks. Plus, with competition from established players like Meta and Apple, the AI Pin has a tough battle ahead. What do you think about the Humane AI Pin? Is it a revolutionary gadget or just a pricey gimmick? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting AI tech reviews and explorations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.